How are you guys? You guys ready for Carlisle?
You should have come up in here where it's hot.
Woo!
You got a fan. Can't be that bad. Hey everybody, it's Bradley and I'm back this week with our Walkthrough Wednesday episode. We're starting outside today because we've got a lot going on. We're packing up for Carlisle Chrysler Nationals, heading to Carlisle, Pennsylvania tomorrow for that. Behind me you see we've got the Kelderman Ram 2500 supercharged. Mitch is getting strapped in. I think last week, Mitch, you were buttoning up the supercharger on this thing.
Buttoning up supercharger, and now we're buttoning up the strap.
Yeah, so heading to Pennsylvania, we got it all, you know, masked off so that the bugs don't mess up that beautiful white paint. I don't think it had wheels and tires on it last time, so no. you can see the Kelderman air suspension really nice in there with the petty blue accents. We've got 37-inch General Grabber X3s around fuel 20-inch forged wheels with the custom Petty's Garage Kelderman logos put in there, the petty blue accents. Really a beast of a truck. So if you see us heading up the road tomorrow, say hey. So we're getting ready. We just showed you the Kelderman truck. We've got both of our 53-foot haulers coming to Carlisle this weekend. So really blowing it out of the water. We're going to be back to back and have two big displays. A lot of square footage there at Petty's Garage at Chrysler Carlisle. So on this trailer, we've got all of our merchandise. We've got our lounge, our TrailCon lounge up in there. So we actually might be able to stay cool this time around. Let's head around the back here, Will. See if we can find. Here's a good shot of trailer one, trailer two. So what you've got in here is basically our entire inventory of strut bars, rear bars, subframe connectors, Magnum Flow exhaust, Barton shifters, HEMI catch cans, fuel pumps, you name it. We're bringing it all, ready to sell. So, like we said last week, you know, if you're looking for a specific color, there's still time. Just send us, drop us a note, tell us your name, what color you want. If we've got it on the truck, we'll reserve it for you so we can install it for you there at Carlisle. We got Barry and Mike up there strapping down an 825 horsepower Charger Hellcat. We'll be taking.
Of course we're helping load Bruce.
Yeah. So
Bruce will be our technician on site doing installs, as well as Rooster come by and say hey to them. Give them some love. They're gonna be working out in the hot sun, actually installing it. How are you guys? You guys ready for Carlisle?
You should have come up in here where it's hot.
Woo!
you got a fan. Can't be that bad.
Let's go for it.
It's hotter than a $3 pistol up here.
So as we've been updating you every week, we've got the 68 MAHLE Camaro project in full swing. We've really got all hands on deck trying to get this car wrapped up. I think last week we had just brought it back down from the body shop. As you can see, a lot of wiring going on. And the biggest change, which just happened this afternoon, right around here, engine's now in place. So we've got the Petty's Garage built LS7 right there. Of course, we got our Ride-Tech suspension. So you can see rear quarter glass is in. That'll get etched with the Petty's Garage logo. Come around back. Working on a custom gas cap that we're going to replace that with. And yeah, coming along really well. Guys have made a lot of progress here just in the past week. And parts are rolling in every day. So hopefully we get the wheels here pretty soon. We can show that to you guys next week. So real quick, we're chugging along on the roll cage here for this Hellcat. We've got a little bit of parts so we can get our removable braces figured out here, but the rear seat delete kit is in, so that's pretty cool. And you can see now, you know, where all your entrance points are hidden by the rear seat delete. And then once you have the seats in, it'll really hide it well. It's not going to stick out in your face. So coming along real nice. As you can tell, the whole move in the shop right now is a little on the low-key side because everybody's outside loading up for Carlisle. So we got all hands on deck. Plus we're getting towards the end of the day here, so everybody's kind of winding down. But perfect time to show you some more stuff we've got going. This is a build that we did. I want to point out the license plate there, you see that, it's Ontario. So we build cars for everybody all around the country, but sometimes we also do some Canadian cars too, which is great. A lot of work's going on under the hood of this car. Started life as a 5.7, it's now a 392 Hemi. It's got a Magnuson supercharger on it, the Cervini shaker hood, which the Magnuson supercharger is really the only one that will work with the shaker hood. So if you are looking to get your Challenger built supercharged and the shaker hood, Magnuson is probably going to be your way to go. You can see we've got our OEM strut bar here that fits right behind the shaker. I think we did a supercharger cam in this one as well. Lots got the very iconic Petty's Garage rear racing spoiler that we still do a ton of. So these are also available for sale on our website. Will, what am I missing here?
Full Petty's Garage coilover.
That's right,
Suspension system, as well as adjustable front and rear sway bars. So the vehicle's been lowered, fully adjustable on all four corners.
Oh, I forgot about this. So color match the bottom cladding, which is Petty's Garage Touch that we do to a lot of our Challengers. May not notice it at first glance, but it actually makes the car appear lower and gets rid of that black plastic look at the bottom. Same stuff, but just a cleaner, more classy high-end look that we like to do to all of the Challengers here. Real quick, I'm going to stop in the engine shop and show you guys we've got a whole stack of Gen III HEMI heads sitting here on the rack. We posted about this on our Instagram story earlier today, really rolling these out. These are available online, Petty's-Garage.com, and you can order yourself a set of Petty's Garage HEMI cylinder heads. See, we've got ones for Trackhawk, we've got 6.4 HEMI, we've got 5.7 HEMI, we got 6.1 HEMI. So nice array of pretty much every Gen 3 HEMI configuration you can think of sitting right there on the rack, and yeah, rolling them out. So get yours today. So project update time. Last week we spent a little time up in the engine shop with a 5.7 going to a 392. So here it is, getting ready to go back into the Challenger you see behind me, all assembled on the stand. This is a fully built 392 long block from a 5.7 that we did here. I really wanted to show you guys this because of the really cool stainless headers we've got. These are Petty's Garage long tube headers manufactured by Cook's Headers over in Mooresville. We work really closely with Cook's. Their headers are really a superior product on the market, and just look at them, they look beautiful. So this is getting ready to be dropped back in the Challenger, and hopefully next week's episode will show you. It'll be getting close to. So let's move over here on the table. We've got the intake manifold that's going on the motor right behind me. This is an Edelbrock intake manifold with long runners, and you see the upgraded fuel rails here. So if you haven't figured out already, this is actually going to be an NA car. No supercharger, no turbos, just all motor. The long runners give you a lot more torque, make the engine run better. And these are great to pair with the Petty's Garage throttle body that is coming. So those will be on the way soon. So yeah, we'll get this on the motor, get the motor in the car, and be ready to roll. What's next? What else we got? So new project in the shop for this week, but really it's a returning project. We've got regular cab, short bed, kind of sport truck themed Ram that about a year ago we did a Magnuson supercharger on it. You can see that here on the 5.7 HEMI, and he's brought it back to us for head and cam package as well. So did the supercharger, coming back for some motor work, and we really like this, when we can do an upgrade for somebody, get them on the road, they have a lot of fun with it, then they get used to that power and they say, you know what, I want to come back, I want to get some more, and they send it back to us and we go for round two, and even personalize their build even more. So it happens a lot here, and we love repeat customers. So if you look around, looks like the guys that are bringing in all the cars for the day. We've got the Track King, the West Coast Customs Camaro, one of our new Camaro builds here. So seems like a great stopping point for us for this week's Walkthrough Wednesday episode. As always, we really appreciate you guys tuning in and following with us every week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss these when they come up, and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. We're posting all the time to keep you guys updated with just the variety of builds that we've got going in here week to week, and the progress that the guys are making. So thanks for sticking with us. Make sure you share and tell everybody else, and we'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.